Welcome everyone to the chemistry department. As you all know, the use of an optimized quality detergent is of the utmost importance. Elementum is a multi-tiered enzymatic detergent that has been optimized for use in automatic, ultrasonic, and manual cleaning of surgical instruments. Featuring 4 new molecules of the enzyme, this new formulation has been synergistically blended to produce the most powerful detergent for use in clinically used medical devices. The best-in-class solution has superior soil penetration and suspension and rapidly breaks down the tough-to-clean medical soils, including the multi-layers of bioburden, and prevents redeposition. The Ruhoff family of detergents underwent rigorous testing by 3 expert laboratory testing services. The testing set out to determine if these detergents exhibited the characteristics of an ideal cleaning agent, such as rinsability, biodegradability, cleaning efficacy, material compatibility, toxicity, and skin irritation. The findings of these tests confirm that the Ruhoff detergents conform to both ARN and AMI guidelines for optimal cleaning detergent characteristics. They are also the first and only to conform to 2019 ASTM D8179.